Hi, welcome again. This is my good ads. I'm so sorry because I didn't have opportunity to take this page in English because Google in my country don't allow that is in English because it's a different language. So this is my first page where I can see that my CPC average and highlight these impressions I had doing this a few weeks ago. So I have some clicks on that, and this is my keywords, and I select to 10, exactly 10 words. Just me check. So this is my ads group. This is my two ads page when Jerly Hansel Jerly, my public target. I'm going to show you the Google Analytics. It's my first page. We can see my first user right now is I have a 0. Um, it's like to my traffic is so good. No one else to full a point, but it happens. I have some problems that, and is my behavior in a page is like I have some user that, and so I think it is. If you have any question, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.